Welcome to part 3 of the homework video guide for section 4.5, and I'll continue off with part B of question number 7 here. So back in part A, we did figure out the general equation for the problem, which is highlighted here in the green box. And for part B, determine the demand. Now, demand is represented by the variable U for units if the price drops to $25 per unit. Okay, so now the price is now $25. So going back to my equation that I found in part A, the price here is going to change to $25. And our goal now is to find the U variable. How many units are sold when the price is $25? All right, so let's just copy out the rest of the problem here. So negative 1 over 150 U plus 60. I would go ahead and get rid of the 60 next by subtracting 60 from both sides. And if I subtract 60 from both sides, I get negative 35 on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, I get negative 150 U. Okay, and then from there, the minus signs can just cancel off here since you have a minus sign on both sides of the equation. So, sorry, that's supposed to be 35 there. And then I would just take the 150 and I would just multiply that with the 35. So 35 times 150 is about 5,250. Okay, so U equals to 5,250 when the price equals to $25. Okay, so going back to here, the number of units would be 5,250. Okay, and let me just erase all this, and then we will now go on to question or letter number C now. Letter C. Okay, so for letter C, the question is now asking or saying if the price per unit, determine the price per unit if 6,000 units are sold. Okay, so this time we're given the units. The units is 6,000 units, and we need to figure out the price. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure out the price. Price will remain as P, and then I'll copy out the rest of this problem here, negative 1 over 150. And now the number of units is going to be 6,000. And then after that, I can add 60. And then from here, you pretty much go to your calculator and you can just figure out this calculation here. If I do 6,000 divided by 150, I get negative 40. And then I can add the 60 there, and then I get 20. So this is going to be $20 per unit. And that's it for